So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Canva AI feature text-to-image generator. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically we're going to teach you here how to use Canva's AI feature, which was made around November of 2022. And it's a text-to-image generator such like Midjourney and other things like that, and other text-to-image generators using AI. So basically, what is Canva? So basically, Canva is an Australian global multinational graphic design platform that is used to create social media graphics and presentation, and the company has announced it intends to compete with Google and Microsoft in the Office software category. So Canva is just equally as challenging and very competitive when it comes to its competitors, when it comes to this type of things. So the next thing we're going to talk about is why use Canva's text-to-image generator. So basically, Canva's image generator means that the perfect image is always at your fingertips, and even if it doesn't exist yet, you can create images that visualize a product or idea, sketch out or a creative concept, or push out the limits of what's possible. So according to the website right here, you can turn imagination into reality with a text image in Canva. Basically, the design is used to be complicated and hard, but today more than 100 million people are using Canva every month to unlock their creativity and achieve their goals. So our mission in Canva is complex these simple things and tapping into exciting new empower and community to bring other ideas into imagination to life. So you can turn your imagination into creative images like it says here. So we're just gonna scroll down. So it's integrated and seamless, so the text to image is integrated across the entire Canva experience. With the text to image, you can create an edit image without ever having to leave Canva. Like there's no subscriptions, and this also works without the pro version of Canva. So as it says, no other subscriptions or tools is needed to power your creativity or your workflow. From dreaming up initial concepts to creating new assets for any design, editing them in your own. So enhance your new photos with our built-in photo editor and modify brightness and other things like that. So here you can create images as unique as you are. So the text to image can also generate art in a range of styles, from photos to drawings, paintings, 3D patterns, and concept art. So create a lifelike rendering with a 3D style of your futuristic party invitation, or perhaps use the painting style to recreate textured brush strokes for perhaps art if you want to do some art, or probably other things. So but there's also a thing you need to remember is to be safe and responsible and ethical with technology. Since you're using AI, you can generate basically anything with anything you think of. So basically, you can convert text to image using now the new text to image feature. It's fun, fast, and free to go to your Canva apps or open a design template in your desktop or iOS or Android application. So I have to mention that this is compatible with your Android devices and your iOS devices, and so with your desktops or PCs. So you can stay in the loop with their monthly newsletter, guys. You just have to sign up in their website, and there you go. So we're gonna head on to our canvas right here, and right here I'm gonna show you how to do one. So basically all you have to do first is select your template, or perhaps just make a new document. So let's try to add one right here. So let's try to add a document. So perhaps we're just gonna select our size, and wait, I'll just do another one. So it's a custom size, perhaps a 180 by 180, just to be a ratio. And there you go, we're gonna create our design. So to start using the text to image generator, so here on the bottom corner of the editor, you will see a plus button, as you can see right here. So we just tap that plus button right there, and then tap the apps from the option below. So we just scroll to the apps right here, and as you can see right there, it's in the app. So here under create something new, just tap on text to image and it will show it. So We're just gonna look for text to image. As you can see right here in the popular, it's right there. So all you have to do is tap on it and then just open it right there. So basically all you have to do is enter description of the image you want to see and perhaps choose style and aspect ratio, then tap on generate image. It's just that simple. So perhaps you wanna do let's just say a capybara on a surfboard. In Hawaii. And there you go. So try an example. So there's gonna be styles here and you can see all. You select the styles. So there's photography styles like photo, vibrant, minimalist, neon, and filmic. So there's also digital art if you want your image basically made from art. So there's 3D, retro wave, psychedelic, concept art, and a 3D model, gradient, and other things like that. So there's also stained glass, watercolor, and other things like that. So we're just gonna do photo for now. So the more you become specific with doing this, it's gonna be very, very easy for you to look for what you're trying to imagine, guys. So let's just do the capybara again. Capybara on a surfboard on Hawaii or in Hawaii. Realistic. And there you go. So all you have to do next is select your aspect ratio after doing so and create your image. So once you're waiting for that, it's something like Midjourney, but the difference is you don't really have to go to Midjourney and go to Discord and maybe just generate there. And then you have to type it in and then you'll have to wait since there are a lot of people using the server itself. While here, you don't have to really bother exporting the photo and then importing it to Canvas, while you can just do it right here on your application itself and your PC, your mobile, and other things like that. So as you can see here, we have a cute capybara on a surfboard on Hawaii. See, it's pretty accurate. So you can also generate again if you're not satisfied with the output that it has given you, since it's just the same platform and it's free to use. So once you're waiting for that, as I said a while ago, you don't really have to import other things from Midjourney and such things like that. You can use Canva since it's integrated to its own application already. So you don't really have to do much from it. So let's just select this one since it looks very, very cute. And then here you have your aspect ratio, and you can also change it and adjust it from there. So perhaps I just want to make it from here to there, and we'll make it something like canvas right there, and there you go. So basically that's just how you use your text to image generator using AI feature here on Canva. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.